We can attract the things we need for life by using water manifestation method. Today I am going to tell you how to attract the things we need for our life from the water. This is also one of the famous law of attraction method. I will teach you about all the techniques of the water manifestation method. Read this to know what in lower and how law of attraction works. You may not know that water is often used in the law of attraction. Water is one of the most powerful things in this universe. You know that 70% of our body is water. Water is very essential for our life. Background of water manifestation method. So, water is easy for us to find and is very important for this manifesting method. We also use water in methods like 2 cups manifesting. You might have seen folk people in the villages in the past using existing water to heal the sick. You might have seen and heard people doing different things by splashing water. There was no magic in the water manifestation method. But the law of attraction is used at those moments also. Many people say that water causes things to get better, but the real reason for those things is the law of attraction. What is the water manifestation method? The first thing you need to know about water manifestations is that we do not get what we want from water. In other words, we get nothing from water. We use water here only to help the processes that take place in our mind. We will get what we need from the law of attraction. But when I searched further for this water manifestation method, I came across an article that was the result of an experiment conducted by Dr. Masaru Emoto. He said that the shape of the crystals formed during the freezing of the water would be changed according to our way of thinking. It means, water also has a similar aspect to this process. But we are not trying to take anything from water. We are just using water to create the vibration of the mind to express what we want. Because the law of attraction pays attention to the vibration that works in our mind. This is what some people call water programming. I will first explain how to attract what we want from this. In the end, I will teach you how to get rid of negative thoughts through water manifestation. How to attract what we want from the water manifestation method. STEM. If you do this every morning, you will get a better result. Get up in the morning and write your affirmation on a small piece of paper. In other words, write very briefly what you want to attract in the future or what qualities you want to attract. Example. 1. I am a magnet who attracts money. 2. I am getting love from everyone. I just gave you an example to link something like this. You can write down anything you want to write about. This can be linked to love. This will work for changing your appearance or anything else you want. This is very effective for getting well from illnesses. However, the affirmation you write should be the most essential thing to attract you. Step 2. Your affirmation should be written on a very small piece of paper. Now you paste that paper on the water glass. Do not need to use gum, just paste the piece of paper with water. Step 3. Now, look at your hands. Focus on both hands. Take the glass with both hands. Give your full attention to your affirmation. Do not think of other unwanted things. Keep your mind on focus what you need to take from the universe. You have a free mindset in the morning when you had a good sleep of a couple of hours. This is one of the reasons for doing this in the early morning. Step 4. Now, take the glass from both hands and say your self-affirmation 7 times to a glass of water. Say it in your mind. This is the most important step. So, do it in the right way. While we say this self-affirmation, we have to keep our eyes closed and see this in our minds, visualize. Also, visualize this after you say your affirmation. And make sure to feel your subconscious mind that you now have what you need to attract it in this glass of water. Now, you have to drink this glass of water with a positive mind. How to remove negativity from the water manifestation method. I will tell you about a way to get rid of the negative things we feel. This is also the same as before, but you should not write on paper. Imagine that all your negative feelings now transposed into the glass of water. Visualize this for 5 seconds. You can transpose any negative feelings you have. Take the glass of water into your hands and think that the negative energy is going into this glass of water from your body. With that in mind, throw the water out or throw it away. The same exercise, but the difference in the way our mind works. Special points to remember. 1. If you have time for water manifestation. It doesn't matter if you do it in the morning or in the evening. 2. It is best to do thanks to the universe before 10 seconds to start this. 3. Try small things for the first time. Then go for bigger wishes slowly. Our subconscious mind cannot understand between reality and fantasy that we think in this practice. This is what happens to the mind when we practice the law of attraction. No matter how many negative things around you, it does not affect you at the moment you think about it. You can always be in a positive vibration, but you can never be 100% positive. In that case, you must know how to remove negative vibrations. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe our channel.